Take command of the road in the 2009 Ford Escape. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Ford prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.